Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog clicker that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hoaooo Pet Training Clicker. When you're training your pup, you need to be ready to click your clicker in an instant so they correctly associate the click with the behavior you're requesting they perform. These clickers have a teardrop shape that's easy to palm and a large, easy to push button that allows you to react instantly. They also have a wrist strap so you won't accidentally drop the clicker as you go to reward your dog with a tasty healthy treat. The clicker produces a clear, consistent loud sound. They come in a 2-pack and are very affordable. Moving on at number 4, we have the ASCO Premium Clicker. The ASCO Dog Training Clicker is a compact handheld clicker with a wristband and a silicone finger loop. This unique feature makes for a comfortable wearing experience as pressing the button is very easy with the clicker on your finger. If you don't want to wear it on your finger, it also comes with a lanyard so you can wear it on your wrist. This dog training clicker features a large, recessed button that's easy to press, but prevents accidental clicking. The unit is weatherproof, rust-resistant, and shock-proof. We really like this clicker for its robust and lightweight design, as well as high-quality craftsmanship, which is why we've rated it as our top pick overall. At number 3, we have the StarMark Pro Training Clicker for dogs. If you're after a comfortable yet versatile product, the StarMark Dog Training Clicker is the right choice. StarMark is reputed for its high quality and performance-driven products, and this clicking device for dogs is no exception. This ergonomic tool serves as a unique way of communication between you and your pet. It contains a stainless steel clicker element that is rust-resistant and makes a loud click every time you press the button. This clicker also comes with a lanyard, but you can also attach it to a keyring to keep it nearby. At number 2, we have the OYEFLY Dog Training Clicker. The OYEFLY Dog Training Clicker also comes in a pack, but this time it's a pack of 2 clicking devices. This clicker is a pet-friendly product made using sturdy ABS plastic casing. Inside the casing is the durable metal click pad, which makes a distinctive clicking noise when you press the large central button. It's easy to hold and use thanks to its ergonomic shape. Since this clicker is a small item, you can use the included elastic strap to secure it around your wrist, on your pants, or to the leash. Being extremely light in weight, this clicker won't burden you or restrict your natural movement. And finally at number 1, we have the DEFA Clicker Training for Dogs. Our budget pick is a pack of 4 multi-color dog training clickers that comes at a highly affordable price. Each of these clickers features an acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, plastic body with a stainless steel ring piece inside. This clicker is extremely durable with both weather and rust-resistant properties. You'll find the teardrop shape easy to hold. Plus, the included wrist strap secures it around your wrist so it won't get lost. And if you do lose it, there are others clickers in the pack to continue your training. The package also arrives with a free storage bag that you can use to conveniently carry and store your clickers. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.